Listen up. Talk show.
Hi. How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
What did you do today?
I went to school today.
Did you go with someone?
No, I walked with my brother.
How old is your brother?
He is 10 years old.
Oh, he is very young.
Yes, he is still small.
What is his name?
His name is Adam.
That is a nice name.
Thank you. He is funny.
Does he like cartoons?
Yes. He loves Spider-Man.
I like Spider-Man too.
Really? That is cool.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have one sister.
What is her name?
Her name is Sarah.
Is she older than you?
Yes, she is 16 now.
Oh, that is great.
Yes, she is very smart.
What does she like?
She likes reading books.
I also like reading books.
What books do you read?
I read comics and stories.
Sarah reads history books.
That sounds a bit hard.
Yes, but she enjoys them.
Do you have a big family?
Not very big. 4 people.
So, mom, dad, and siblings?
Yes, and me of course.
I have 6 people.
Wow, that is a lot.
Yes, I have 3 sisters.
All girls? That is fun.
Not always fun, trust me.
Do they like to sing?
Yes, all 3 sing loudly.
That is funny and sweet.
What about your parents?
My mom is a nurse.
That is a great job.
She helps many people daily.
Do you see her often?
Yes, but she works late.
My mom works at home.
Oh, what does she do?
She makes cakes and cookies.
Yum. That sounds delicious.
Yes, I eat too much.
What about your dad?
My dad is a driver.
A bus driver or taxi?
A taxi driver in town.
Does he like his job?
Yes, he meets new people.
My dad is a teacher.
Oh! What does he teach?
He teaches math in school.
Math is very hard.
Yes, but he explains well.
That must be helpful.
I still don't love math.
Me too. It's difficult.
But we must study it.
True. What do you like?
I like art and music.
I like music too.
Do you play an instrument?
I play the guitar.
That is so cool.
My sister plays piano too.
Your house must be noisy.
Yes, it's never quiet here.
I want to learn drums.
That is very loud.
Yes, but very fun too.
What do your family do weekends?
We go to the park.
Do you play together there?
Yes, we play and eat.
That sounds like fun.
What about your weekends?
We visit my grandma often.
Where does your grandma live?
She lives near the mountains.
That sounds very beautiful.
Yes, it is quiet there.
Do you go every week?
Maybe 2 times a month.
I visit my cousin weekly.
Is your cousin your age?
Yes, she is 12 too.
What do you do together?
We draw, talk, and play.
I do that with sisters.
Do you fight sometimes?
Yes, we fight over TV.
Same here with my brother.
Who wins the remote usually?
My brother always wins it.
Not fair. Boys win everything.
Not always. Girls are strong.
You are right about that.
Do your parents watch TV?
Yes, they like cooking shows.
My mom loves game shows.
My dad watches the news.
Do you eat together always?
Only at dinner, not lunch.
We eat breakfast together daily.
That is nice family time.
Yes, we talk a lot.
My sisters talk too much.
Girls like to share things.
I like quiet mornings better.
I like music in morning.
Your family sounds nice though.
Your family is fun too.
We are loud but loving.
We are simple but happy.
Do you have family photos?
Yes. We hang them at home.
I like looking at pictures.
Me too. It feels warm.
We took one last Sunday.
What were you all wearing?
Same color shirts, all blue.
That is so cute.
Do you have a family photo?
Yes, on my phone now.
Can I see it, please?
Sure. Here, look at this.
You all look very happy.
Yes, we laughed a lot.
I like your little brother.
He is very funny sometimes.
He has a big smile.
He always makes silly faces.
I want to meet him.
You can come visit us.
Can I bring my sisters?
Yes. That would be fun.
My sisters love new friends.
Let's plan a family picnic.
Good idea. Our parents too?
Yes, a big family picnic.
Let's do it this Saturday.
I will ask my mom.
I will tell my dad.
We can play many games.
And bring food to share.
My mom makes great sandwiches.
My mom bakes good cookies.
Let's have fun together soon.
I am excited already.
Me too. Families are special.
Yes, we love our families.
They help us every day.
And they make us happy.
Even when they annoy us.
True, they still love us.
We are lucky, you know.
Yes, very lucky indeed.
Okay, I have to go.
Me too. It's getting late.
See you at school tomorrow.
See you. Tell Adam hi.
I will. Say hi back.
Take care and good night.
You too, bye for now.
Bye. Talk more tomorrow.
Yes, we will for sure.
Maybe about your cousin next.
Or about your loud sisters.
Deal. They are very loud.
But also very sweet too.
Like your brother and sister.
All families are special, right?
Yes, every family is different.
But love makes them strong.
And fun makes them great.
I like talking about family.
Me too. I feel thankful.
We should write about this.
Yes, maybe for school project.
Let's do it together then.
That sounds like a plan.
Okay, tomorrow after class?
Yes. We will write well.
Family stories are the best.
They really are. Let's go.
Bye. Say hi to everyone.